Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I am gonna be showing you how I made this beautiful clean section yarn braids. So my hair is growing longer than the last time I made this type of yarn braids on my channel. I am adding water to my hair to soften it, and I also added Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna be using jam to get a smooth section. Well, in today's video I'm gonna be using both this long tail comb and also switching between this comb and the popular African section comb called Ilarum, just to be able to help me get a clean section for my yarn braids today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not.
Something good, something good is gonna come my way, come my way. Hey, 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 something good is gonna come my way. There's a feeling deep in my soul. Something good, something good is gonna come my way, come my way. Hey, 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 something good is gonna come my way.
For these braids, I'm using 7 long strands of about 32 inches long, and I will be borrowing from the 2 other strands to the short hair to enable me braid till the end. Just watch me as I do this.
Something good is gonna come my way, come my way. Hey, 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 something good is gonna come my way. There's a feeling deep in my soul. Something good, something good is gonna come my way, come my way. Hey, 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 something good is gonna come my way.
Okay, lovelies, here comes our finished product. Isn't this beautiful? Yes, it is. It took me about 4 hours to complete this hair, and I just decorated it with this fancy hair beads maybe. Alright, if you found this video helpful, once again, don't forget to like the video. Love you. Bye.